Siguro, ang tingin ko doon, kasi hindi ba they have been, yun nga ang problema, they've been declaring they will have this truce. So siguro, naniwala naman yung mga tao natin sa ground na may truce, so they did not anticipate those attacks. And now, it seems to me now that they're using the truce para to have our soldiers on the ground off guard. They're taking advantage of that.
Was it prudent for our soldiers? I mean, you mentioned hindi nila in-anticipate, but again, martial law is in effect and they're supposed to be on heightened alert because of the CPP's anniversary. So supposedly expecting more possible attacks.
Well, definitely it's not prudent. Right? Nagkamali sila, kaya look what happened to them. Yeah, that should be a lesson for all of them. They should always be like Boy Scout, be prepared. It's like a thief in the night. The NPAs will come to you and assault you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, questions. MPC. Raymond.